Hi guys, welcome back. This is 2000 Game again with another Lost Sword content. If you're enjoying the content in this channel, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Let us hit that 5,000 subscriber milestone before the end of the year. With your help, that would come into fruition. So, going back to the news and updates, if you are having a Discord, please join the Lost Sword as well. This is me just updating everybody else who's not yet participated in Discord. So currently, we have the event. They're trying to complete your two teams, right? So initially when Lost Sword came up, so they're trying to complete your wizard range banner with like Galahad, Neo Bedivere, and Tiamat. And then now they're completing your Knights team with Dayan, with Lohengrin, with Lancelot. And then now it's gonna be Erin. As per what the people are telling, it might be Erin, and lo and behold, you're correct, guys. Because again, now you have a two teams that are complete. You can participate in Star Resonance. Like no, it's not Star Resonance. It's Star. When you're fighting the boss, okay, the world boss. Okay, I forgot about the name. Comment down below. Okay, I'm having some brain farts again. So event Sunshine of the Elia pickup event notice. We've prepared the pickup event. So it's gonna be starting on 11th of September until 25th of September. During the period, you will be having a chance to pull for Erin and Phoenix. Okay, Phoenix would be a very good character. It's either Lohengrin or Phoenix. Phoenix for like the crits. Erin for sustainability. She's a knight, but she supports your team in a way that like she gives you sustainability and survivability, decreases the damage of the enemy. She's cute as well. Okay, so also the autumn login event, we're almost at that point wherein I can feel the cold air hitting my face. It's almost autumn going into winter. Autumn has just arrived. We prepared a special gift starting on September 10. During the login event, on the 10th, you'll get 1,000 diamond. 11th, you get elemental stone piece that we really need if you want your trainings to be done. Bell of the Old Year for your cow stages. Soul, Rare Soul 2, that's good. Uncommon character summon tickets, 10 pull, 110 pull. Another pet summon ticket the next day. And finally, on the 16th, that's gonna be Diamond 1000. So, even though I'll be talking about maybe in the future the gem recovery here in the game. It's a bit hard to gain, especially if it's locked in the story. So if you can clear story, you can get a lot of gems if you haven't cleared the story, which is a bit a drawback. But again, the good thing about Lost Sword is they're giving us like there's no dull or there's no lull time. They always give you a reward like, oh, every week. Okay, surprise. There's another free pull for you, or surprise, there's another diamond for you. I think that also circumvents that fact that even though the gem at the mid game or trying to clear at that stage of like chapter 40 would be harder, they try to circumvent that by giving you lots of rewards every week, which I do really appreciate. Okay, so those are the stuff that we're getting. Erin and Phoenix will be dropping on the 11th, and the autumn login event. Just log in every day starting on September 10. You'll be getting all of these rewards. So don't miss this login event. So again, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.